What makes Signature Rotana Islamabad capital's first ever branded residence? And why is it a secure, smart investment? Signature Rotana Islamabad isn't just a project, it's a statement, a bold introduction of international branded living to the heart of Pakistan's capital. What makes it the first ever branded residence in Islamabad? Islamabad's first branded residence under the umbrella of Rotana Hotels, a renowned 5-star hospitality brand with a legacy across 20+ countries, where every element from design to management is executed according to Rotana's international benchmarks. A home-like experience enhanced by hotel-level services, concierge, housekeeping, security, loyalty benefits, and of course, licensed and certified. I hope you're already familiar with the unmatched privileges of our branded residences. And when we talk about premium living, think luxurious furnishings, exclusive access to our executive clubs, and a world full of rewards to elevate your everyday experiences.